So y'all remember that video I uploaded where I couldn't figure out how to get this belt off, guys? There's no tension or no pulley riding this. It's just a crank pulley connected to the water pump. I found out this is a one-time use, guys. I'm getting ready to replace the water pump. So once you take this belt off, that's a wrap. You got to get a new one. So the best way to remove this belt, knowing what I know now, is simple. Yeah, cut it off. It's one-time use. Don't fight trying to take this belt off properly, because it doesn't matter. You're never going to use it again. One-time use only according to the instructions, the manual. All right, so here's how to take it off. Okay, now I'm getting ready to put the water pump belt on. Remember what I told y'all earlier? This belt is a one-time use, so once you take it off, you will need to go on with a new one. Now, I also told you, don't spend a lot of time thinking. Stop thinking so hard. If you know you're not going to reuse that damn belt, don't try to fight taking it off. Just cut the damn thing off, all right? Now, here's a new one. It's time to get it on. There's no tensioner. We got to go the old-fashioned way. How many of y'all remember the old-fashioned way? If you don't, I'm about to show you. Let's get it. And there you have it, guys. Now, to be fair, there's a special tool for that, a belt stretcher tool. We don't have that tool. I don't have that tool. I ain't got time to wait for that tool. So I perform what I could dub the JT way.